Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. In this video I will tell you what is Bitcoin, how to mine, buy and use it. Here we go. If you're new to our YouTube channel then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So, Bitcoin, BTC, a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money as a form of payment outside the control of any person, group or entity, and at the removing the need of third party involvement in the financial transaction. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a crypto, BTC is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as a money and form of payment outside the control of any one person. So, group and entity, thus removing the need of third party involvement in financial transaction. It is rewarded to blockchain miners for the work done of verified transaction and can be purchased on several exchanges. So here we go. Bitcoin was introduced into the public in 2009 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. So it it has since become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has been increased by development of many other cryptocurrencies. These companies either attempt to replace it payment system are used to until security tokens in other blockchains and engineering financial technologies. So what are key takeaways. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency made by the capitalization. So after that, unlike that currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed and traded and stored using a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Bitcoin and its ledger are secured proof of work concerns, which is also mining process that introduce a Bitcoin into system. Bitcoin can be purchased via various cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitcoin history has store value of is turbulent and it has gone through several boom and bust cycle over its relevant short lifespan. So as a first decentralization virtualization country to meet widespread popularity and success, Bitcoin has inspired a host of other cryptocurrencies in its wake. So, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. In our channel, you will mostly like that type of videos about for your business or your business theories. So if you are a businessman, if you want to earn online, then you must have to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and more videos. So without wasting time, now let's start the video back. As we know that launched in 2009, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unlike fiat, unlike fiat currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, stored using a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Bitcoin and its ledger are secured by the proof of work (POW) consumers, which is also mining process that introduce a new Bitcoin into the system. Bit- Bitcoin can purchased via various cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitcoin history as a store of value has been turbulent and it is gone through several booms and bust cycles over its relatively short lifespan. So, as the first decentralization virtual currency to meet widespread popularity and success, Bitcoin has inspired a host of other cryptocurrency in like wake. So now we will try to understand the Bitcoin. In August 2008, a domain name bitcoin.org was registered. Today, at least, the domain is who is guard protected, mean the identity of person who registered is not public information. Okay. In October 2008, a person or group using the false name Satoshi Nakamoto announced the cryptocurrency mailing listed a Mets.com. I have been working a new electronic cash system that fully peer-to-peer with no trusted third party. This now famous white paper published on Bitcoin and Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, would become the Magna Carta of how Bitcoin operates today. So, on January 3rd, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined block 0, and this was known as the Genesis block that contained the text. The Times 3rd January 2009 calculated the brink of second brick of bank's phrase proved the block was mined and are after that date and may also be relevant to the political commentary. Bitcoin rewarded are held every 210,000 blocks. For example, the block rewarded was 50 new Bitcoin in 2009 on May 11th 2020. The third halving occurred, bring the rewarded for each block discovery down to 6.2 Bitcoin. So I hope you like this video or you will enjoy this video. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.